Yes, class. Today we will continue rectification of errors. Okay. Yesterday we did some part. Let's continue. Yes. Today we will take new entry, that is credit sale of goods to Ram rupees 2500 has been wrongly passed through the purchase book. See, the language is given credit sale of goods to Ram has been passed through. Yes, Vita. So the transaction is given goods sold to Ram has been wrongly passed through. If the language is given passed through, that means the whole entry is wrong. First of all, let's see the first part of this transaction, that is a credit sale of goods to Ram. This is the right part. What should be done? Credit sale to Ram. What the entry should be prepared? Ram debit along with 2500 rupees to sale along with 2500. That should be the right entry. Okay. Ram debit to sales account along with 2500 rupees. That should be the right entry. But the wrong part is given. It was passed through the purchase book. It was passed through purchase book means the whole entry was recorded as purchase. Let's see. Purchases account debit to Ram. This entry, this is the wrong part. It was transferred that purchases account debit to Ram's account. Okay. This entry is passed. Now let's see how to rectify this entry. One by one, we will rectify there. Let's see how we rectify. First entry. This is the part which should be done, and this is the part which should not be done. This is the wrong part. So we will start from first. Ram should be debited with 2500. Check your what you have done. Have you debited Ram? No. So now you will debit Ram. This part is done. This part is done. Ram was not debited as per our entry. Now we will make Ram debit with 2500 rupees. Let's go for the another part. Sales. Sale must be in credit as per right entry. Have you done? This is your done part. Have you done sales in credit? No. Now you will do sale in credit. Two sales account 2500. Both these both are correct. It is done. Let's see what the wrong we have done. Let's check it. Purchases account debit. As per the right entry, it should not be done. Okay. As per the right entry, it should not be done. So now purchases must be cancelled. Wrongly it was debited, it should be cancelled. Let's cancel it. It is from debit, then we will transfer in credit. So purchases account 2500. Clear? So we have wrongly debited purchases account. Now we will make it credit. Purchases is cancelled. This is done. Now, fourth one is left. As per we have done, as per what we is done, then that is credit Ram. See, Ram should be credited. No, it should not be credited. Okay. So Ram will be cancelled. Let's cancel the Ram. It was wrongly credited. We will cancel it. Ram debit 2500. This part is correct. Now let's see here. Ram is the same person. Is it sensible that we will write Ram twice? No. We will write. Ram is the same person, that is why Ram will be once transferred in debit and the amount will be 2500 plus 2500. This is not the right way to show. So total 5000 we will present here. Now the correctified entry is Ram debit to sales to purchases. I hope this is clear to everyone. Let's go for the next entry. A credit purchase of goods from Shyam amounted to 1000 has been wrongly passed through. What the wrong we have done, we will do it afterwards. First of all, let's see what is the right part. Right part is credit purchases from Shyam. So here this should be the right entry. Purchases debit to Shyam 1000. This should be the right entry. Let's see, the wrong part is given. Amounted to 1000 has been wrongly passed through the sales book. Passed through means the whole entry is wrong. So the complete part is wrong. We have transferred it, we have recorded it as a sales entry. So this is the wrong part we did. Okay. इसको shift कर देते हैं. This is the wrong part done. Now we are going to prepare rectified entry. Let's see this. As per the right entry, one by one we will take. We have 4 items. 1, 2, 3, 4. One by one we will take this. Let's see from first. Purchases must be debited. Have we done purchases debit? No. Okay. Now you do it. Purchases account debit. This is done. Everything will move along with its amount. Whatever amount wrongly or rightly we have transferred, along with that amount, it will move. Now, let's see. The second one is Shyam must be credited. This is the right entry. Shyam must be credited. Have we done the Shyam in credit? Just check. This is what we have done. Shyam is credited? No. So now you do it. So Shyam 1000. Okay, this part is also rectified. 1 and 2 is clear. Now let's go for third part. What we have done? Shyam is debited. Is it the right? Shyam should be debited as per the right entry? No. Okay, just cancel it. It was wrongly debited. So let's cancel it. How we will cancel it? It was in debit. We will transfer in credit. Then it will be cancelled. So here we write to Shyam 1000 rupees. This is also done. Let's see the fourth part. Fourth one is to sales. We have done it. Just check. Should we do sales and credit? Just check it. No. Sales should not be credited. And we have done it by mistake. So let's finish off it, cancel it. How we will cancel it? Sale will be transferred in debit, then it will become nil. Okay. So sales account debit along with its amount, they will transfer. Finish. All 4 items are rectified. Now just check here. Let's count. Purchases debit, sales debit. Shyam. Twice we have credited Shyam. Shyam are 2 persons or only 1 person? If Shyam is 1 person, isn't it stupidity? Isn't it so childish that we have written Shyam twice? So isn't it better कि हम इस Shyam को हटा करके यहाँ पर उसका amount add कर दें? Okay, Shyam is the 1 person. Shyam is the 1 person. So once we will write here Shyam and we will make addition of his amount. This is the rectified entry. Okay, let's see the next. Next one is return of goods worth rupees 1100 to Mohan was passed through the sales return book. First of all, return goods to Mohan. We are returning to Mohan. That means first of all we purchase. Always you will think about from we point of view. We are returning to Mohan. That means before that we purchase goods. Now we are returning. So this is purchase return, isn't it? So let's see. Purchase return should be the right entry. Mohan debit to 1100 rupees. Purchase return. It should be the right entry. Let's see what we have done. It is wrongly passed through the sales return book. Pass through means that complete entry is recorded wrong and as a sales return. So what the entry we prepared? This type of entry we prepared, that sales return debit to Mohan 1100. Let's rectify this entry. How do we rectify it? As per the right entry. Now again we have 4 items. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items we have and one by one we will rectify them. Let's start from first. As per the right entry, Mohan should be in debit. Have we done? No? Now you do. Mohan debit 1100. Next one is, this part is done. Let's see the second one. This is purchase return. Purchase return must be credited. Have we done? No? Now you do it. So purchase return 1100. This part is also done. Let's go for the third one. We transferred sales return in debit. Is it right? As per the right entry, sales return must be in debit? No. So it is wrongly debited. We have to cancel it. So from debit we will transfer it in credit. It will be cancelled. Here, to sales return 1100 rupees. This is done. Let's see the fourth one. Fourth one is Mohan. We have credited. As per the right entry, Mohan should be in credit. No? Okay. So this is wrongly credited. Let's finish off. How we will finish? Mohan is in credit. We have to make it in debit. Then it will be finished off along with 800. But Mohan is already here. Mohan is one person, so we will not record the entry twice. We will just add the amount and Mohan will be cancelled. 1100 plus 1100. 2200. This is the entry rectified. I hope this one is clear to everyone. One more transaction is there. Goods for 5500 was purchased from modern traders on credit, but no entry was passed through. Yesterday we did, no entry was passed through. Now you prepare the right entry. That's all. No, nothing mistake is there. Just omission is there. Now next one is goods of the value of 1800 returned by Sunil and company were included in stock, but no entry was passed through in books. It was included in stock, but no entry was passed. Now you prepare the entry. Omission transaction. Yesterday we did it. Now, next entry is an invoice of goods. Invoice, the voucher is showed on credit. Okay, an invoice of goods sold to X. That means credit sale to X was overcast by 100. If we are preparing right entry, then what should be the right entry for goods credit sold to X? X debit to sales. This should be the right entry. The right entry we have not prepared. We have no concern with it. Actually, what wrong we have did, that it should not be prepared with 100 rupees. Whatever was the amount, it was prepared, but 100 rupees extra हो गया था. कैसे wrong क्या किया हमने? Entry was correct, but amount extra recorded. In debit and credit, both sides, amount extra recorded. So we have to finish off this extra amount. From X debit, we have to finish off. From 2 sales, we have to finish off. So we will make a reverse entry. Sale will be in credit, debit, and X will be cancelled by transferring in credit. The entry will be rectified. Okay. Now, let's see something new. Let's see the next transaction. Sold old furniture to A for 11,500. Was passed through. We will see afterwards. First of all, we will see old furniture sold to A. 11,500. Is it a cash transaction or credit transaction? It is a credit transaction because nothing is given about cash and name A is mentioned. Name mentioned, it is credit transaction. Okay. So if we are selling, then what we will write here? Furniture is going out. We are selling. So furniture is going out. Asset reduces. Asset reduces will be transferred in credit. A is the receiver. A has purchased. We sold to A. This is the entry. Na? Old furniture sold to A. A is the receiver. Costing rupees 11,500. Okay. This is done. Now let's see the wrong part. Was passed through the sales book. It was. See, one important thing is that whenever we purchase or sell assets, then assets name is considered. Sale and purchase term is used for credit transactions only. And here what we are doing, what the wrong we have done, that furniture sold and we recorded it as a sales. In sales book it was passed through. That means as a sale, goods sale transaction we recorded. Let's see what the wrong we have done. This is the wrong part we did. A debit to sales account. We recorded it is in a sales book. That means it is recorded as a credit sale, goods sale. Otherwise, actually this was not the goods sale. It was asset sold. Let's see the rectification. A should be debit. A is already debit. So no correction is required. Forget about it. Just go through this. Furniture should be credited. As per the right entry, furniture should be in credit. We have not done. Now we will do. Furniture 11,500. This is done. Now sale. As per the right entry, sale should not be in credit, but it is done. So we will cancel it. Now we will cancel the sale. It is in credit. We will transfer it in debit. Okay. So this entry is, see, all the entries make balance itself. We are not doing anything. We are not doing any effort. All the entries, rectified entries are making itself balance itself. We are not doing any effort. Okay. Let's go for the next transaction. Next entry is repairs made were debited to building account 7,000. If repairs made, whether it is building repair or anything else, we are not acquiring a new building. We are making repair of a building. So it should be considered as an expense. Expenses asset की तरह treat तो होते हैं when at the time of asset acquisition. Here we are not acquiring any asset. Here we are just maintaining the asset, whatever asset we have. So we have a building and we made repair expenses. So it should be transferred as expenses. Let's see here. Repair debit to cash. Repairs is given, nothing is given about to cash, whether you prepare it or not, no matter you write it or not. But this is important that we will write repairs account debit 7,000. Now, what the wrong part is done? Wrong part is it was recorded as building account, asset name it was recorded. It was recorded like this, जैसे कि building increase हो रही है, we are acquiring, we are purchasing new building. Asset increases will in debit. It was recorded like that. Let's see the rectification. Now, just check it. Cash should be credit. Cash is in credit और cash के बारे में तो कुछ बताया ही नहीं है, so we should not mention it. और अगर mention कर भी लिया है तो cash में there is nothing wrong. Cash should be credit. Cash is in credit. That's okay. No correction is required. Okay. Then where the correction is required? Here. As per right entry, repair should be in debit. Have we done? No. Now we do it. Repairs debit. This is done. Now building. As per right entry, building should not be anywhere. It is wrongly debited. So let's cancel it. Okay. I hope all you understand. This is rectified, and then see, rectified entry had made balanced itself. We have not done any effort. Is it clear? Now, one more we will see. 6,000 paid for office furniture. Was debited to office expenses. Furniture is purchased, office furniture. So what should be the right entry? We are acquiring a new asset. So furniture debit to cash. This should be the right entry. And what we have done? We have recorded it as office expenses. It was recorded like office expenses. Let's see the rectification. First of all, cash. If we are purchasing furniture or we are recording as a expense, in both the cases cash will move out, so cash should be in credit with 6. Cash is in credit with 6. No correction is required here. Now the correction is required in these two. Okay, let's see. For as per right entry, furniture should be debit. Have we done? No. Now we will do it. This is done, rectified. Now the second one is office expenses. As per the right entry, office expenses should not be anywhere, but it is in debit. So let's finish off this office expenses. This is, see, this part is also rectified, and the rectified entry had made it balance itself. Now the entry is rectified. No mistake is there because all the entries has made balanced itself without doing any efforts. Okay, this much is sufficient.